Today's reactions are ones that I did on my weekend live. So hope you can join for those as well, so you can see the actual reactions happening at that time. But I have decided to put those on videos as well. As you know, you have been watching my videos for the last 2 weeks, so you can see what is the reaction on the title. I cannot do an individual interview for every single one, but I hope you like it, hope you subscribe, and hope I can see you in the live as well. So now let's jump with the reaction. Okay, so NEWBEAT members profile. So NEWBEAT can be chosen to NPT. I didn't know that. Formerly known pre-debut as JeLLo, High or High and Low, High and Low. It's a South Korean boy group on the Big Interactive. The group consists of 6 members: Park Min So, Hong Min Sun, John, Jesus, that's a long name. Cho Sohyun, Kim Taehan, Jo Jung-hoo, and Kim Liu. They released the first pre-release title JeLLo on March 5th, 2025. They're debuting on March 24th with the first album Raw and Route. They don't have an official fandom as of now, or colors or anything like that, but they have like the social medias and whatnot. So Park Min So, 2002. Oh, so he's 24, 24, 183 Korean. So you have like their you mean like their socials here as well. He was consensus on. Oh, he was on Voice Planet. Oh wow, I didn't know that. He was in Voice Planet. Prior to Voice Planet, he was a trainee for 7 years in which he saw left wake. He was training in Wake One. Okay, he was a backup dancer for Forestella. He also was a Jesus. That's also some sort of experience. He was a backup dancer for Forestella Cool and Ace My Girl. His name is Parking Doll Christmas. So, all right. Wow, he in this picture he looks a lot like Jason, but Jason, I think his name from P1 Harmony. Just bad with names. Sorry. He's 2003. He doesn't have social media. I guess he has because he was like a trainee before. His role model, taste, 80s son. He has a dance major in university. That's good. He's an all-rounder. Then we have Jung Yo Jung, vocalist. He is 2005. Goodness, he's a former member of T01. Wow, I'm discovering a lot of things today. His role model is EXO Baekhyun, Ace, and Chris Brown. Wow, a lot of them have Baekhyun as a role model. Good. He was backup dancer for Ace My Girl. Good. Cho Sohyun, 2005 as well. So was a backup dancing at Ace Overtune FanCon. NCT Taeyeon. Nice. Taeyeon, 2006. He was accepting to Blockberry. Anyways, thank God. His nickname is Sunny. Role model EXO Baekhyun and hyphen Nikki. His favorite song is Tekal, Killing It by P1 Harmony. June. His role model BTSB and NCT Jaehyun. Also backup dancer. Third time in Taekwondo. So they currently detecting Conan. Kim Liu, 2008. Oh my god, I feel like an old hack. Real Small World, also HBO One and NCT. Amazing. The Magne he is like 6 foot tall. Jesus Christ, what is going on with the kids nowadays? So yeah, Real Hobby is hitting everything. So these are the members. You need to get familiar with them. I'm intrigued by Taeyan. I'm intrigued by Sehyeon. I'm intrigued by Minseok. Maybe all of them. Yeah, I think that as of now, looking at the profiles, I think Minseok is the one who is calling more of my attention. But anyways, we are gonna jump. So in the list that I have, we have JeLLo, HICCUPS, and Flip the Coin. I think this is the order that was released. So we're gonna start with JeLLo. I don't know if I have. So Flip Coin, we have it here, and JeLLo we have it. Okay, so we have is 1 minute 41 seconds. So that's good. We can move forward quite quickly. So let's just jump right into this. This is NEWBEAT JeLLo MV reaction debuts in 3, 2, 1. I like the graphics. I like this style of like graphics and things like that.
J to the E to the LLO. J to the E to the LLO.
It's more like an introductory song rather than like a pre-release, I think.
J to the E to the LLO. Come on.
I still have like, I don't think I won't be able to like associate faces still to names for quite a bit. Hey, rap. Bye. Yeah, so it's like an introductory song, like to showcase the members rather than like a actual pre-release. Like their mascot or something? JeLLo, NEWBEAT. Okay, very rappy. Different to the vibe that I'm like more like into it at the moment. So it's gonna take me a little bit to get into it. Sorry, just using the camera here. What I was saying, this seems like more like an introductory of the members, right? Like an actual pre-release. So that's good, like to gosh, like the vibe of the group and like every single member like sort of showcase. But let's just go with the second one. So the second one is HICCUPS. So I think maybe this is gonna be more of like a proper MV. Well, not even, it's like a 135. So again, maybe like these two pre-releases maybe are more sort of like showcase kind of things rather than like a full-on MV. I think that's my impression. Maybe I'm incorrect, but there is a JeLLo here, so keep with the topic. So this is HICCUPS from or by NEWBEAT. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's CGI. Oh, that's a little bit trippy. Oh, they're very on their rap. Heavy in rap. Gangnam Style.
언제든 recheck 내 목소린 boundless Don't roll the dice we making sure it's right yeah 이 틈을 hush I'ma pick up for your life yeah 난 not anymore
So far,
and I don't pop like
a very clear style as well from the get-go.
not anymore and I don't pop like many young guys friction 필요하다면 난 감당해 I'm not fiction 끌어올라 뜨겁게 나 keep your cool
Ooh, that's trippy. I don't like that.
심장이 뛰는 이 순간 전부 드러내 진짜 내 맘속 because now 전부 드러내 진짜 내 맘속 because now
Okay. Again, showcase of their style. They seem to have like a clear kind of north from the get-go or what they want to do and how their music is gonna sound like, which is good. I think because of the style of song, this music might take me a little bit to get into it. It's not the it's this type of music, like it happens the same sometimes with me with NCT, but this is also like a actual, like the comeback is the next one that we're gonna listen to. So but like it happens sometimes with like the NCT songs that it takes me like maybe 1 or 2 or 3 listens to like really get into it. I like the style and the vibe to it, but yeah, the type of song, it will take me a little bit of a listen to get into the songs, but so far great production, very like clear on the on like the path that they want to take from, as I said, from the very get-go, so that's good. But let's jump to the next, the last one. I think is Flip a Coin. I remember that because Victor has a song named Flip the Coin. Sorry, it's not Flip a Coin, it's Flip the Coin. So Flip the Coin is the actual comeback 13 days ago. They have a video on Soul Music. Do they have a video on their actual channel? Yeah, this one, NEWBEAT, 1 million views. So this is 3 minutes, so this is like an actual comeback. So this is the proper comeback. Okay, cool. So this is Flip a Coin, actual debut, not comeback. I was saying comeback. It maybe I got confused because I was listening to 2 songs already, but this is the actual debut from them for the album. So this is NEWBEAT, Flip a Coin. Flip a Coin. God, what is going on with the name? This is NEWBEAT, Flip the Coin, actual debut song. 3, 2, 1.
Has the day invaded the night, or has the night invaded the day?
I'm very interested to see how, because like the other 2 were like very hip hop heavy, so I'm not sure.
Everybody sing na 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 na. Flip the coin, flip the coin.
Okay.
Shut up, we gonna make some noise. Flip the coin. Yeah, yeah. I take it now, break the rules. 건 우리의 mission, don't need a tools. Oh yeah, we flip it, I win it.
Yeah.
우린 끝없이
So far,
날아가지 shake it
the
up,
beginning,
터뜨려.
very aligned with the first 2.
together. 지금 이 순간에 느낀 대로 했다. Take it a left, take it a right, take it a backside. 괜찮아, 원래 모든 건 다 freestyle.
No, nothing with teeth, please. I don't like that.
답을 찾아가 우리 1, 2, 3 and 4 watch out waiting for flip the coin. Shut up, we gonna make some noise. Flip the coin. Everybody say
The videos are so very cheap. There's so many things going on.
check this out.
A lot of green screen.
Flip the coin. 감정 낭비하지 말고 따라와 난 뻔한 거 하지 않아 지루하게 단번엔 없어 지금이 바로 그때야 make it good
I like
make it
the
bad
games that they
결과는
have.
I don't care 불확실할수록 better 재미있잖아 louder 판단은 지워미지 인체로 이대로 달려 이제 come with me Four is four and four is fair
And they also have like some sort of like porn thing. I might need to read into it because I don't know the reason. But I guess I saw the unicorn on the first videos, or maybe that's like actually the symbol or something. The mascot.
주저하지 마, check this out. We flip the coin, hit them high, 던져봐, it's all we could ever own. Gotta
Yeah,
flip the
heavy on the
hit
like
them high,
electronic type maybe. Very heavy on that. I still don't get about the teeth thing.
If you try, yeah, if you try, yo, 끝이 없지, 앞만 보고 달려. If you try, yeah, if you try, yo, 겁이 없지, 우린 계속 달려. 이젠 더 거치게 쏟아. That's how we play. 우린 적당히를 몰라. Move out the way. 겁 없이는 저절래 is my motto. 숨겨온 짓들 세상에 펼쳐. 뭐가인지 몰라. It's just my way. 이제 뒤는 없어 던져. We got the power. I say na 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 na. Flip the coin.
Wow. Beat. Oh, they changed the. Oh, like, oh, this is the logo for the actual their group, or is this like the new Beat Interactive logo? Not sure. Again, like, I think, well, I mean, out of the three songs, of course, like, I mean, for into perspective, the first two ones, I do believe they're like more of like showcase of the members rather than actual releases. That's my perspective. So obviously for me, this one tops those two. So order will be this one, and then maybe HICCUPS and JeLLo, I think, or maybe no, this one, JeLLo, and then HICCUPS. Again, heavy on like the very like hip hop, electronic, sax electronic vibe. I like this one. I liked a lot. I think I got into it towards the end more. So I could see myself listening to more about that. I'm very interested to see more about them for sure. I wonder if they're gonna keep with this vibe of like very, you know, it's very street vibe. So looking to see if they're gonna keep up with that, or like they have like any other like, or they are gonna, because of it's in the very beginning. So as I said, they seem to have a clear idea of where they want to go to, but it's not strange for like new groups to try to different things at the very beginning. So I don't know how many comebacks they are gonna have on this year in 2025, but with these three, I see a clear vision. So I would like to see where maybe they're gonna go with that. Obviously this came 13 days ago. I don't know if they are still promoting, but please go support them, listen to the songs, stream the MV. If you would like to see anything else, let me know, so obviously I can react to that. But like, good. I think this is a solid debut for them, for sure. A lot of comments, and it has already 1 million views, so it seems that the support is there. This I wanted to see, so because I was looking into the members before, and he was the one who got more my attention. So Hong Min Soo, if I click like this, he's the one. Okay. On the 26th, he was the one who caught my attention. The Kim Taeyan, Insu Taeyan, Parvin So. Okay. They drank some of the block big cup and dipped their toes into the young Paul's pool and poured it off after with our friends of the toes of NCT. You see, there is like some sort of influence with like some sort of like vibe from NCT. Housing and the view is better than most comebacks. John Paul's NCT, Eskis, PH1 all in one. Yeah, I can see like the influence of many different groups in them, which is good. You can maybe like they can attract like a broad fandom, like that of people that like that type of music. So that's good. It's a good decision, like maybe a good starting point from them. But yeah. Anyways, as I said, please support them. If you like to listen to, if you want to see anything else from them in the channel, let me know. and I will be more than happy to